Welcome back to the Mighty Machinery channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we'll be presenting unbelievable modern wood carving and lathe machines that are at another level. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing wood carving machine. At number 1, it's the Torat Joker CNC wood lathe machine, boasting a plethora of impressive features that set it apart in the industry. This 4-axis machine is specifically designed for crafting furniture legs, including those for sofas, chairs, tables, and cabinets. Its versatility is enhanced by the presence of 5 distinct operation units: the shaper unit, turning unit, sanding unit, and 2 separate milling units. Its Italian Pegasus software not only enables users to achieve fast results, but also ensures ease of operation, making even the most challenging tasks manageable. In essence, the Torat Joker CNC wood lathe machine stands out for its advanced technology and user-friendly interface, and its ability to deliver quality results at a reasonable price point. Next is the Xcarve, a versatile CNC machine that is widely used for carving and cutting various materials such as wood, plastic, and soft metals, giving users the flexibility to work on different types of projects. It is popular among woodworkers, artists, and small businesses for its precision and ease of use. It comes in different sizes, with the largest model offering a cutting area of 1,000 millimeters by 1,000 millimeters, allowing users to work on projects of various sizes. The machine is equipped with a powerful spindle motor that ensures precise cutting and carving, making it suitable for intricate designs and detailed projects. Moreover, the Xcarve boasts effortless assembly as another standout feature. CNC routers are computer-controlled cutting machines used for cutting, shaping, and engraving various materials like wood, plastic, metal, and composites. They find applications in woodworking, sign making, prototyping, and production manufacturing. CNC routers are used for creating intricate designs, custom furniture, cabinetry, decorative items, and signage. CNC routers are defined by their distinctive specifications, among which the cutting area plays a pivotal role. This factor establishes the largest material size that can be accompanied and worked on effectively. Moreover, the software compatibility of CNC routers is essential. They need to work seamlessly with various CAD/CAM software programs for designing and programming cutting paths. In the world of mammoth machines, every new episode is a ticket to witness the unimaginable. Subscribe now and never miss a moment of our heart-pounding heavy metal adventures, because the real giants are just a click away. The next modern tool is the turbo sawmill, which is used for processing logs into lumber for construction, furniture making, and other woodworking projects. These sawmills are available in different sizes, ranging from portable models, suitable for small-scale operations, to larger stationary models, used in commercial settings. Powered by gas or diesel engines, turbo sawmills offer a cutting capacity that can handle logs up to 36 inches in diameter. Known for their durability and reliability, turbo sawmills are designed for easy operation and maintenance, making them popular among both hobbyists and commercial woodworkers. Some models of turbo sawmills come equipped with additional features, such as hydraulic log loaders and turners, enhancing their efficiency and productivity. At number 5, a mechanical wood splitter is a tool designed to efficiently split logs into smaller pieces for firewood or other purposes. Powered by electricity or gasoline, these splitters utilize a hydraulic system to exert force on the log, splitting it along its grain. The noteworthy features of mechanical wood splitters include an adjustable splitting wedge for logs of various sizes, a 2-handed operation for safety, wheels for easy transport, and an integrated log cradle to secure the log during splitting. The specifications of these splitters include splitting force, log capacity, power source, and cycle time. In short, these mechanical wood splitters are amazing tools suitable for residential and commercial use, providing an efficient and safe way to process logs for various applications. Up next is a wooden screw-making device, a compact tool used in woodworking to create wooden screws. It typically consists of a screw box and tap, which work together to cut threads into a wooden dowel or piece of stock. The screw box is a hollow metal cylinder with a threaded interior that guides the tap as it cuts the threads, while the tap is a metal rod with cutting edges that carves the threads into the wood. It comes in various sizes to accommodate different screw diameters and can be used with different types of wood, including hardwoods and softwoods. The design of a wooden screw-making device is typically ergonomic, allowing for ease of use and precise thread cutting. Woodworkers use a wooden screw-making device for various purposes. It's commonly used for crafting wooden screws for woodworking projects, allowing for customization of screw sizes and thread patterns to suit specific applications. Plus, this tool can be used to repair or replace wooden screws in antique furniture or other wooden objects, providing a practical solution for restoration projects. Now, let me tell you about the wood texture embossing machines that are used to create realistic wood grain patterns on a variety of materials such as paper, plastic, and metal. These machines apply heat and pressure to emboss the desired design onto the material surface, resulting in a textured finish that resembles natural wood. The most important feature of wood texture embossing machines is their adjustable temperature and pressure settings, allowing users to customize the embossing process based on the material being used. But that's not all. Another quality of wood texture embossing machines is the availability of interchangeable embossing plates, which allow for the creation of different wood grain patterns. In terms of applications, these machines are instrumental in creating decorative finishes on furniture and cabinetry, adding texture to packaging materials, enhancing the appearance of signage and displays, and customizing promotional items and gifts. On the 8th spot, we've got the circular saw, a power tool commonly used for cutting a variety of materials such as wood, metal, plastic, and masonry. Circular saws typically have blades ranging from 6.5 inches to 10.25 inches in diameter. They can be powered by either a corded connection or rechargeable batteries for cordless models. The depth adjustment feature allows users to adjust the cutting depth to suit different materials, while the bevel adjustment feature enables making angled cuts for beveling edges or creating miter joints. Some circular saw models come with a dust collection system to help keep the work area clean. Additionally, safety features such as blade guards and electric brakes are commonly included in circular saw designs to ensure safe operation. Furthermore, circular saws are utilized for various cutting tasks, including rip cuts, cross cuts, bevel cuts, dado cuts, and trimming and framing work commonly seen in construction projects. Now it's the Felder 3114 Flex Membrane Press, epitomizing versatility in woodworking machinery, offering a comprehensive solution for various wood carving tasks, from the intricate art of veneering to the sturdy work of laminating and precise edge gluing. This press effortlessly meets the demands of craftsmen, traders, and industrialists alike. Its innovative design harnesses the power of vacuum pressure, delicately enveloping workpieces under a supple rubber membrane for flawless gluing. Boasting features like a swiveling work table and a mobile rolling carriage, it seamlessly adapts to workshops of all sizes, promising convenience and efficiency at every turn. Capping off the list with an electric jam saw, which is a handy tool utilized for cutting door jambs, baseboards, and other trim materials to facilitate flooring installation, commonly seen in projects involving hardwood, laminate, and tile. These saws are equipped with a robust motor ranging from 5 to 8 amps, providing ample power for various cutting tasks. To maintain a clean work environment, electric jam saws are often designed with a dust collection system that effectively gathers debris during operation. Moreover, safety is prioritized in these tools, with the inclusion of blade guards and ergonomic handles to prevent accidents and ensure comfortable handling. The blade size of these saws ranges from 4 to 5 inches in diameter, while the cutting depth can be adjusted up to 1 to 1.5 inches, offering versatility in cutting capabilities. With a weight averaging around 10 to 15 pounds, these saws strike a balance between portability and stability during use. As we wrap up this incredible journey through the realm of modern wood carving and lathe machines, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this exhilarating ride. At Mighty Machinery, we strive to bring you the most awe-inspiring and cutting-edge innovations from the world of industry. But our exploration doesn't end there. Stay tuned for future episodes where we continue to uncover the latest marvels and breakthroughs that redefine what's possible. Stay curious and inspired, and keep building the future. Until next time.